what I'm doing. I don't know. I'm just cooking this, and I'm just slicing this. While I'm slicing this, I'm thinking of what to cook. Because if I don't look at this, it's starting to, I'm gonna throw it away, huh? No way. So anyway, this is a beef. What will I do? Do I have to make this like a strip caldereta? Because Lance likes this one to be cooked with soy sauce. Wait, tomato sauce. So anyway, so while cooking, I have an extra cooking over there. I'm cooking some penne pasta. Ayan, nakita mo yan? I'm making a penne pasta. Itong penne pasta ko. Well, actually, this is for lunch, my husband's dinner. Okay? So, ito na siya. Cooking it. Making things cook in making two cooking in one stone. So but this one is for tomorrow. Ako ay nag-i-slice. Hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa rin alam kung anong gagawin ko dito. Okay, ano muna ako, stop muna. Okay, for dinner, I made a penne pasta. This has mushroom on it. Mushroom. It's gonna be my husband's dinner. Imagine while making this meat, okay? I already decided what to cook. Hello, good evening, and finally I'm back home in my favorite place, my kitchen. So I have some as you saw, I have some beef, and a while ago I was cutting it, but I don't know what to do yet. So I was thinking, well, I'm slicing it, what to do with this, because I really have to cook it because it's starting to get into darker here. It's bad. If not, I'm gonna throw it away. So now I was thinking of, well, I'm done with the penne pasta, where I have to feed my husband, and it's already like it's 8 o'clock, too late, but that's why I have to cook now. It's for tomorrow. I'll just put it in the refrigerator. So I was thinking of making this beef. I don't know how are you gonna cook, but I was thinking of cooking it with potatoes, green. I frozen my bell pepper, so here, bell pepper. So I was still thinking if I'm gonna use this or I'm gonna use my fire roasted red pepper. So I still have to really cook all of the things that I left behind in my pantry. So a semi caldereta. I don't know, because my husband loves the caldereta. So I'm gonna be cooking this. Babush! So I'm cutting my potato and putting this because I don't know, I don't like messy places. So well, the reason why I have to put the skin is because I still gonna use this for my compost. I don't want to waste this. I don't want to waste this one. So I'm cutting them. O, diba? So, since I cut the beef into like a strip, so I think what I'm gonna do is cut this also into, see, cut it like that. So I'm gonna cut this. There's still more a little bit. So I'm gonna cut this. I'm almost gonna buy the, you know that there's like that, and then you put it here so that you won't cut yourself. Oh, there's everything in Amazon. Okay, so I'm cutting it like a strip. Like a strip. What? See, look, I did it like a strip like that. So a strip din siya. Diba? I don't know what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna do the cutting of this one. Pampadami ako ng oras, ano? But anyway, I'm just so excited to be home, and I miss my kitchen. So I'm gonna make my cooking now. And you know, this is my kitchen, and now I'm gonna be using my favorite salad master. So I'm gonna start cooking here. Put it like that. Oh, I just saw this one. Sun-dried tomatoes with Italian herbs in oil. I think I'm gonna use this one. You know, this is a very useful one when I open some, you know, this one, because my grip is too weak. So this one, you know, this is since 2005 when I was working with Mr. Gordon. Yeah, he's an accredited tax consultant. Oh, see? There! Open. Now, of course, I'm gonna use another. This is a gift from Salad Master. Okay. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? Oh, I don't have my. I usually use the avocado or peanut oil, but I have this Crisco pure vegetable oil. Crisco. You know, when I was young, Crisco is, I use it when I'm doing some cake. I'm baking some cake. Let me just mix them. Okay, I don't know. Ginamit ko to kasi I made a lot of garlic. I use it in my penne pasta. Well, so at least it has already been toasted there. Siguro ilagay ko na ito aking sun-dried. I just to have it in this way kasi gusto ko maluto ito ng parang toasted ka. Kailang ayun. Ganyan ito kasi yung garlic nasa lababa. For the first time, I was just thinking of how to put this one. I always keep a Hans tomato. So I always make sure that I have a Hans. Ito, Hans with beef, garlic, and oregano. Pero yun, no? Medyo mo, Ayan, hulog. Wala pang 3 seconds. So, ito na yan. So, diba? I'm not so sure if this is a good, ano. So, I'm gonna put some pepper. Ganda, no? So, yun ang penne. Penne pasta. So, I'm making this softer. Nilagay ko yung dried tomato. So I want this, I want this soft. You know, ayoko, when we eat this one, it's too hard. So, I'm gonna have to have this. Patikman nga ako sa... It's not, I tried the meat. It's not soaked yet. But I still want to put, I'm going to put the tomato sauce now. So, minsan, ang ginagawa ko, kasi sayang yung loob. So, I'm gonna, meron pa. Meron akong ano. Manginayang ako sa manat ulit. There you go. It's clean. So, palalambutin ko pa siya. More palambot. So, medyo malambot na. Lalagay ko ng aking potato. Sana maging malambot siya. So, takpan natin para madaling maluto. Yan. This is my beef dish. Okay. Diba? I'm back. So, hindi ako pwedeng ito na ang aking mga content, ang aking cooking, ang aking kitchen. Pagagandahin ko kaya ang kitchen ko. Kailangan patayin ko ng bed ko. Aking kitchen. Hindi naman ako pwede mag-share ng aking garden kasi malamig sa labas. So, it's winter. So, cooking lang ako. So, ito yung pagkain ng aking mga staff bukas. Babush na ako. So, ayan, nakaluto na ako. Actually, dalawang naluto ko. Isang beef at penne pasta. Nilagay ko na dito. Kasi sa dyan magiging lunch ng asawa ko. Yeah, because whoever likes the pasta. Yeah. Kaya, ayan. Ayan, oh. Diba? Kaya, ganun na. Busy na nga ako, pero I still love cooking. So, time for me, well, already cook some food there. Just showing you my kitchen. Magulo pang kitchen ko. Asawa ko, nilagay-lagay ko ano to, Jesus. Anyway, ngayon, I converted this is used to be my breakfast nook. This is where I can, there's a table here. See, ito pa yung chair niya, oh, tsaka yung chair. This used to be where I have a table here where we can eat breakfast here. Despite na meron kaming, what do you call this, dining. But since I bought a lot of things, like, this is my steamer. Ano to? Rice cooker. Ay, ano to? Oh nga, rice cooker yan. Kasi may isa pang rice cooker ako na na for diabetic. And then my what do you call this, air fryer. Dito ko pa pala pag naglalaba ako, yung by kamay-kamay, this is where I dry it. So I have turbo, popcorn, I have my ano na nga yun, yung pampalambot ng karne. Anyway, so marami pa rin. Andito yung ano ito, pang baking ko, no? Oh, ang dami ko. Ito pang ice cream nga yan eh. Ewan ko. Anyways, nandiyan dyan yung aking ano, I bought a Smeg na mixer. Well, actually, meron ako talagang mixer. Eh, nandun sa nasa storage. Kasi mabigat. It used to be in there. Pinatanggal ko. O, ito dala ko galing Philippines. Ganyan ako, oh. May mga... Ito yung, since Christmas pa to, namuha na yun ng sibuyas. So, pinalitan ko, tinanggal ko yung bake, kasi hindi ako nagbe-bake. So, dito yung aking, or I store my rice. No. Siyempre, alam niyo naman ako, addict sa bango. Hindi ko pa ito nalilinis. So, dito yung pagawaan ko ng almond milk or cashew milk. Yeah, ito yung nito pang oatmeal na asawa ko. Tapos, of course, itong asawa ko mukhang nagkaroon activities last time. Last weekend wala ako. Tapos ito yung kanyang cereals. Ang asawa ko kasi likes to eat cereals. So ito, dapat lagi kong puno yan. Puno yan. Mailaw din yan. Oh. Yan. Ayan. So, ito mga binili kong coffee. Barako, Batangas, oh. Kasi bibilin kasi akong coffee maker na beans ang ano, hindi ano K-cup. So, ayan, pinagawa namin yan. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, marami dyan. Puro mga ano yan, ang tawag dyan, antique. Mahilig kasi ako sa antique. So, since ito din yung breakfast ko noon, I have 2 paintings. Those are not cheap paintings. I bought this for 5,600. Ito mga ano lang to, mura lang. Mga 4,200 lang yata. Pero, it is a nice painting. Lalo na yun. Parang real. So dito, I can sit down and rest. Nag-iisip kung anong gagawin ko sa pagluluto. Ganyan, no? May, ayun naman isa. Actually, alam mo sa totoo lang, akala nyo yan ang pantry ko? Hindi. Akala nyo yan ang pantry ko? Extra yan. Kasi bumili ako ng marami. Nagpapanic buying kasi ako lagi, no? So, this is my real pantry. Tada! Nagpagawa kasi nagpa-renovate ako. Hindi to ano ba to dati? Basta sa ginawa ko tong pantry. Dami, no? Pantry. Ano ba yan dyan, oh? Oh. Yeah. Dami pantry ko. Tapos, kasi ito, tawag namin dito sa room na to, laundry room. Kasi hindi yan laundry room at tambahin na mapusa ako. Ito, diyan na naman. Ayan naman para sa mapusa ko. Ito yung pang laundry. Kaso, ay nako, ano din ako, hoarder din ako ng mga pasta. Ayan, ito yung mga binili ko sa Pilipinas. Tapos ito marami pa. Oh my gosh, ito pang palabok. Baka this weekend magagawa akong palabok. Ayan, soda ni Lance. Yeah, so kabibili ko lang ng bigas. So yan, dami, no? Grabe yung aking ano. Yan ang bago kong kitchen. Kahit sa maalog ni Lance. Parang binaboy ko yung kusina. Ay, nako. Pero, you know, at least gusto ko to. Dati hindi ganito, lumang-luma yan. Ni-renovate namin lahat yan. Ayan.